Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Short-run costs are manageable. Let's examine how production levels change your average fixed costs right now. In the short run, total fixed costs stay exactly the same regardless of how many units you produce. This constant value is the numerator when we calculate our average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is simply the total fixed cost divided by the quantity of output. As your production quantity grows larger, you're dividing that same fixed number by more units. This mathematical relationship means the average fixed cost must always decrease as output rises. That makes option A our final winner for this economics problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and trust the given math to find the right answer.